Hello folks, we're out here, we're repurposing these old beams. This is from that one building that we tore down. We try to repurpose everything that we can, and it's poured to rain. We probably will just work on trying to get the nails and stuff out today, and we'll let them dry back out before we do any measurements and cutting. These are going to be inside our little storm shelter. Sound like some little babies got left behind up here. We'll have to go check on them here in a few minutes. Yeah, they're working their way around the hill. But we'll take you up and show you the garden here in a little bit. And we got to pick some tomatoes this evening. And finally, the sun's starting to come out now. We'll show you a little bit here. One thing about it, that oak likes to hold the nails. Look out, little Dixie. Don't get underneath there, something will fall.
Come here, girl.
Almost got. There you go.
There we go. Now, see if we can get this bent up to where we can get through that. You holding it, Dan?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Don't want your picture?
Alright, we've just had the metal cutting wheel here. We've just been taking it and we've just been cutting the nails off. Just like that.
Then just drop them down in the old soda bottle. We don't need no flats. Trust me. The way our luck is, we definitely don't need the
Make sure you don't touch the end that he's cutting on.
Yeah, it burns.
It burns. Alrighty folks, we're not going to bore you. We'll work on these here. We'll take you out here to the garden here shortly. Alrighty, you see some of the cucumbers are already starting to make the trip. They're still producing. Some of them still doing good, but it's just getting, their life expectancy is coming to an end. I can't believe it's already August. And gosh, we gotta get up there and pick some yellow squash. Knock on wood, they're still doing good. Zucchini's still doing good. Mud everywhere, folks. Okay, let's mosey on over here. Alrighty, show you here the tomato patch here. We're going to have to get out here and get a bunch picked this evening. Yeah, they're getting, as you can see, a little bit of the blight. But no, they're We've picked several off. Go up in here. Yeah, we'll get in here and get these picked off. We won't bore you with that there. We'll get them picked and then show you what we got. Okay. Just Lord have mercy, the weeds this year has took it. The corn, we're getting ready to pick some more corn. Won't be too much longer. The beans, they've started getting the nail head rust. But all in all, we've had a pretty decent year. Lord, if Fur could eat weeds, he'd be real good shape. It's just they got ahead of us and we never did get caught back up with them. Alrighty. What kind is these, Shug?
Big mamas.
Big mamas. Go ahead and pick that one there while we're out here.
Yeah, we can ripen them up. Yeah.
You do not want that.
Nope.
We can cut around it. Blossom end rot. We don't want that.
I think the round one is Heinz.
Heinz?
Mm-hmm.
Gracious. All right.
Wet, hot.
Alrighty, folks. That was a little quick garden tour. We hadn't showed you one in a while. Carolyn's been showing you quite a bit on canning. She's still got several more videos she's going to be showing y'all. And alright, folks, this here was the video we was going to be showing you Friday morning. This is Monday morning. We had computer issues last week, but we're back on track now, hopefully. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday.